summer event is what happens with the National Repertory Orchestra. All your players in town, I'm guessing, they all have places to live.
Yes, we have 88 musicians this year that came into town. Yeah, they're amazing. They're so talented.
In the National Repertory Orchestra, these are either collegiate musicians or right out of college, kind of on their way to pro careers. And how many people audition and how many people make the team?
800 people audition at the top schools in the country. We go to Juilliard, all the top schools, and we take the top 88 musicians.
Wow.
They're the cream of the crop.
And now happening this next week, we have a couple of symphonies. And then I want to talk about the event going on July 3rd. What's 30th? What's coming up soon?
Well, coming up on the 10th, we have an event that we are collaborating with the Art Council in Breckenridge. All the art galleries are going to have an art show at the back of the Riverwalk Center, and so we have a nice Arts Collide. And then on July 13th, we're going to have Scheherazade.
Scheherazade.
It's a wonderful story about a princess, so you'll have to come and learn all about it. Yes.
A lady princess?
Yes.
Cool. All right. Because, some people have called me, some here at TVA, some have called me a princess. Now, Carl Topolo's back at the helm.
Carl Topolo.
Good buddy of mine. He's
Couldn't do it without him.
The maestro. Now, July 30th, it's at the Doubletree.
July 20th.
20th, I'm sorry. It's called Dancing on the Peaks?
Dancing on the Peaks.
And tell us about that.
And what it is it's a chance. I mean, how many chances do you get to dance to an orchestra? So the orchestra comes out and plays. It's a Western theme.
Yep.
We're going to have dinner, dancing, silent auction. It's going to be a lot of fun and free dance lessons.
This is at the Riverwalk Center.
It's going to be at the
Doubletree
Hotel.
Yeah.
Doubletree Hotel.
Which is kind of, used to be.
It's below Beaver Run.
Right. Used to be the Hilton, now it's the Doubletree Hilton.
Doubletree
Hilton. And I even think I remember the phone number. It used to be 453-4500. I don't, but I'm sure we'll give you a website as far as the event itself. Now, dance lessons for line dancing and salsa?
And salsa, yes, with Roger and Therese Moen.
Oh yeah, I know those guys.
Oh, they're great.
Yeah. Now here's the deal, and if you once you're dancing, the symphony is guaranteed not to laugh, right? Because I get that Irish rhythm. My mother had 7 children with the rhythm method, and there you go. I still can't dance. Now the National Repertory Orchestra is going to be here till
August 2nd. Yes, we have concerts every Wednesday and then either Friday or Saturday night.
Now, what's the best way to get information about the concerts and what's going to be on the menu?
The best way is to go to our website, which is www.nromusic.com.
And of course, the NRO has a free concert going on this evening, but the big show is going to be the 20th. Dancing at the Peaks, free lessons, right?
Right.
And a bill of fare provided by the Doubletree, so this is going to be a good time. Now, what about tickets? Can we order them online? Is it best to go to the box office? How do people pick up tickets?
To get tickets, you go directly to the National Repertory Orchestra, which is 970-453-5800, or once again to our website, nromusic.com.
Okay, now how's Topolo doing?
He's doing great.
Because a lot of times his mood is predicated on his golf score.
He has so much energy. I don't know how he does it every summer. I think he gets it back from the musicians, because these musicians are 18 to 28 years old, and they come in with so much energy and enthusiasm.
Right.
And he loves it, and they love him, and it's.
Well, certainly the town of Breckenridge owes him really some thanks, because we actually support the golf course by all the balls that he buys. I've never seen anyone lose more golf balls than it's amazing. He's a menace on the course. But at any rate, it's good to have him back, as it is good to have the National Repertory Orchestra back. And I want to thank all those host families for putting some of these musicians, kind of sponsoring these musicians. A lot of them are displaced from their families, and they provide kind of a home base for them, and that's nice.
It's sort of a home away from home. They don't live with them, but they're like your favorite aunt and uncle in town.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's a great program.
It's also nice to have just an influx of 20-something people in town, men and women. We'll be back with more. You're watching Summer Sunrise. Check out Dancing on the Peaks with the National Repertory Orchestra, July 20th. We'll be back.